Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're not doing much with the trucks. This week has been mostly another medical week of appointments. Monday was cramming some work in so I didn't fall completely behind. Tuesday I was at the doctor's and the nurse getting some tests done. And after that Dad was at the hospital with a follow-up. Wednesday I was out with a friend to meet up that was long planned so I couldn't really cancel. Thursday I was at the hospital again with Dad for another follow-up, and Friday I decided to go to the opticians, which went well. As some of you all know, I was recently diagnosed as diabetic, and I've been needing to get some new glasses for a while. A couple of weeks ago I did a diabetic eye screening which found some retinopathy, but the follow-up isn't until the end of March, so I figured it can't be too bad. Plus, my glucose levels are in the good range 85% of the time now, so I figured my eyes are probably stable enough to look into some new specs. At the opticians I went through the usual tests. They were a bit more of a struggle than usual, but I figured that was just the old glasses. Then comes the news that I didn't have on the bingo card. I have cataracts. Awesome. I'm still in spec for driving, but only just, my left eye being reasonable, and my right eye just scraping by. Not good. New glasses will improve things a little, but at some point the hospital's going to need to do their bit, so that's going to be fun. Also, while I was there, the optometrist had a colleague come in to look at my eyes while she explained what the different abnormalities were. So, if nothing else, I make a good live example of various conditions. Next week I've got 2 hospital appointments, and I'm almost afraid of what they're going to find. It seems every time I do something medical, there's another condition to add to the list. I think it all stems from the diabetes, but I think I've collected enough problems now. Next week, since I'm only at the hospital for 2 appointments, so I should be able to make a Tipper bag C and D video. It's just going to be a speedy video as it's the rear axles and the gearbox, and we've covered those several times before. So until then, thanks for watching and putting up with another non-RC video. I know it's not really what you're here for, but sometimes things overtake the world of RC. So like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a message if there's something on your mind. Bye guys!